Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get into the Glueless Fit 2.0 wig, the Zelda005. So this is the cap construction that I'm the most familiar with whenever it comes to working with RPGSHOW. It's the first cap construction that really gave me the confidence to walk out the door with a wig on and feel like nobody ever knew that I was wearing a wig without any glue. It just melted into my skin, it fit my head perfectly, and it made me feel like my own hair, and it made me feel like people would never even realize that I was wearing a wig. So I am in love with this cap construction. So this one here, if you guys end up wanting this one for the giveaway, make sure to comment down bangs. Her name is Zelda005, like 005. And she is just so pretty. She has bangs in the front, which is perfect if you're somebody that's just getting started with wigs and you are still, like, even though it has transparent lace, so like I said before, this one has transparent lace, this is the perfect color. This is the lace that you want if you have fairer skin. This is going to be the best bet for you if you are fairer than me. But if you guys are still worried about people being able to detect where your lace starts and where it ends and like cutting your own lace and having that on your forehead, then maybe you want to opt in for some bangs, which she has. I'm so excited to show you guys. These bangs are very long. I have a very short head, like forehead, so she has very long bangs. I put her on, the bangs were so long, I did have to pull back the wig a little bit because obviously I don't want to cut the bangs on this one because one of you guys might win it and maybe you have a longer forehead. I didn't want to mess around with the bangs, but if they're too long for you as well, you could just take this to your hairdresser. She is human hair, so you can have your hairdresser cut the bangs to the perfect length of your forehead and where you would like the bangs to end. She also has something a little bit different on the inside of the cap, which I chose. So you do not have to choose this option, but she does have the option to come with a fake scalp, which I love if you are laying wigs on top of like dark hair like mine. I have very dark hair, and so I have to use a lot of fake scalp tape, I have to use foundation, I have to use powders to make my middle parting look real and to hide the hair underneath. You can actually get the option from RPGSHOW to have this type of fake scalp built in. This is in the nude color. It fits my complexion perfectly. It's the perfect color for me. They do have different options. This is gonna cost a little extra to have. If you guys are putting this wig on top of your bare scalp, then obviously you're not gonna want the fake scalp underneath. You're just gonna lay this on top of your own head and it's gonna look super real. But for me, I want that type of skin color type of effect without having to wear a wig cap. Then on the inside, you do have the 3 combs just like the other wig cap. The only thing is with this one is that they're not removable. You can remove them by snipping them, but you can't like reapply them. They have no Velcro, they're on there, and then if you snip them off, you're gonna have to sew them back on. It does come with this adjustable strap as well, and it also has the little adjustable strands onto the bottom with a little bit of lace that you need to cut. And that's what the inside of the cap looks like. The lace is what makes it so cool though, because they changed up the lace. So the Fit 2.0 was basically created to have this type of lace that lays super flat onto your forehead. So this way, whenever you cut the lace, it's not coming outward, it fits directly onto the skin. It hugs almost your head and it makes the lace disappear because Swiss lace is super thin. It's going to make the lace look like invisible basically. So I'm just gonna throw her on. I'm not going to like fix my hair properly to put on a wig or anything. I'm just gonna do like a little bun into the back just so you can simply see what she looks like and what I'm explaining to you guys. And throw her on like this. So I wanted to show you guys, I'm gonna brush her out. She's so pretty, she's beautiful, 20 inches long. I love this mousy color. The bangs are super cute. I do need to maybe use like a hot comb on them to get them all nice and done. But this is what the fake scalp looks like on the top, which just I feel like gives off the best illusion that it's your actual scalp. So if you are laying this on top of your dark hair like me, that fake scalp is just going to look so good. Have a side bang if you wanted. It looks really nice. It is a 13 by 6. So the difference with this wig is that it's not cut around the ears. So the lace runs all the way down to the ear area, and you're gonna have to cut out an ear section for yourself if this completely makes you nervous and you're like, oh my gosh, I cannot cut lace. I've never cut a wig lace before, and you just do not know how to do this. I have so many video tutorials onto my channel showing you the easiest way to cut around your ear. It's not hard. I have mastered it, and it's so simple. And the way I explain it, don't worry, you're going to be able to cut the lace off of your own wig as well. But what this is going to do is it's going to allow the hair, even around this area, to look like it's coming directly from your skin. That's why you want your lace to be 13 inches long around your face, because it's going to help give the illusion. Even if you had your hair, let's say you wanted some bangs out and you wanted to put your hair back a little bit, it's going to give that illusion that the hair is coming out of your skin because it has that lace there. If you got a wig without any type of lace into the front, it's going to be that block looking type of wig. If you guys want this wig specifically, put bangs down in the comment. Her name is Zelda005, so if you guys want to search her up, or if you want to find her in my description box, it's the Zelda005 one. And she is so pretty. This is perfect for a beginner. If you are a beginner getting into wigs and you need something that just kind of hides the front of your hairline, you're gonna go to work or you're going to parties or something like that, and you're so nervous about wearing wigs out in public, you don't have to worry about these wigs being shiny because they are human hair. If they are shiny, it's gonna give off human hair type of shine. It's not gonna ever give off synthetic shine. It's going to be very hard to detect that you are wearing a wig, especially having a little bit of bangs into the front really helps disguise it, especially if you are nervous about the front of your hairline. And good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.